Hey guys, welcome to Daryl in Tents. Today I'm going to set up the Coleman 8-man Evanston tent. I'm going to show you how it goes up, I'll show you around, and then I'll show you how to put it all back in that bag. This is the Coleman Evanston 8-man tent, and this thing is practically bomb-proof. It'll guy wire out like 10 different times, in 10 different places and hold this thing down. But let me take you inside and let me show you the inside of the tent. Really a great porch, screened in porch there. A nice big D door here with a couple of great windows, good netting, lantern or whatever you want to hang there from the top. But yeah, this is a great tent, 8-man tent, and again, pouch there and a pouch over here in this corner. And yeah, it's a really good tent. Everything will zip up. All the windows, including on the door here, will zip up. And of course, from the inside, the screen porch will zip up as well. So yeah, this is it. Just a great tent, beautiful setup. The Coleman Evanston 8-man screen tent. And now that we set it up, and now that we took a tour, let me show you how it all comes down and goes right back in that bag. The secret is to fold it in half and then fold it in half again and then fold it in half again, but to push the air out towards the door. And that's it. Great tent. The Coleman Evanston 8-man tent, and that's how it goes back in the bag. Now let me tell you this. The reality is that I'm taking it down early in the morning and there is still dew on the ground and there's still dew on the tent. But for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you how it all goes back together. Now I'm going to take it all out. I'm going to the driveway. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to let it dry out. And at about, noon-ish, it'll be dry and I'll roll it back up and put it away. But that's how the tent goes back together. If you like the video, click the blue thumbs up, actually the gray thumbs up, and make it blue. And also subscribe to the channel. In fact, if you click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified every time that I make another video. Thanks for watching. God bless.